All right, y'all, welcome back to the Rolling Grill. This is Eric, man. Hey, look, we out and about today, baby. We're going to get out the house this spring and summer. We're going to shoot videos outside the house. But today I'm on the hunt for a new grill, man. I need a new grill for the house, man. It's springtime. It's time to get to cooking, baby. So y'all help me out, man. What kind of grill should I get? I'm going to hit a few stores, see what I can find, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We right here on the Rolling Grill, baby. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all, here go our first stop. Ace Hardware. Let's check it out, baby. All right, y'all. Weber. Man, they must be tripping, dog. Man, this Blackstone grill is so nasty. Oh my God, it's sold too. That thing is so nasty. Oh my God. I never used the Traeger, man. But you know, I'm not opposed to Traegers. Weber GS4. Weber tripping, dog. Definitely don't want no gas grill, man. But if I did, this Weber Genius is the truth, man. Price tag on that sucker is the truth too. I like this one. This is nasty though. I love this. $1,900. Oof. Little burner joint. I don't know, y'all. If I was gonna get a gas grill, I definitely could use this one. I'm gonna come back and check this out, y'all. That's a big boy right there. That'll get it done, son. Ace Hardware ain't really got a big selection. Okay, of course you got your big eggs and stuff. I don't need none of that. Got plenty of charcoal in here, y'all. B&B, Weber, wood chips. Don't sleep on that Blues Hog. That's good stuff. Pecan, cherry peach. I don't need none of that right now. I ain't really got a big selection in here. I don't want no green eggs. Although the green eggs are nice, man. They overused and overpriced. So let's go to the next spot. The Built propane smoker. Don't y'all sleep on. Oh, y'all can't see. Wow. Yeah, that ain't gonna do it for me, son. Next spot we go. All right, y'all, we at Wally World now, man. You know, Wally World don't be having no good grills, man. Them things be, look how rinky dinky and raggedy that thing is. A little basic 6 burner for $264. Let's see. I've had some good cookouts at my old apartment in college, man, with these little grills right here, man. You don't get about 10 good uses out of them, but hey, for $55, that's all you need. All right, good people, one of my favorite stores, man. I got a credit card to this one, so let's go ahead and see what they got. All right, y'all, we're at Academy now. They got the outdoor gourmet grills. What they going for? $129. Oh, y'all can't see. We at Academy now. They got the outdoor gourmet grills. Little rinky-dink thing. I do like these though. These Old Country barbecue pits, man. If you want a stick burner, these the way to go right here, man. $449. That ain't bad. I got 2 lane smokers. Them things is thousands of dollars. So you just need a good stick burner to stick in your backyard. This will get it done right here, son. That's a good one right there, man. Academy got plenty of them. Good smokestack. It's actually a good pit. It's a little light in the ass, but I mean, it's a good pit if you want a stick burner. Like I say, $449, you can't beat that, dog. That's a steal for a stick burner. Folding shelf. So let's go see what they got inside. All right, y'all. $6.99 for the pellet smokers, Pit Boss. Like I say, I ain't never used no pellet smoker, so that wouldn't be on my first. That wouldn't be on my list right off the top. Now look at that, $349, and that Weber Genius was $1,900, and you got just as much cooking space with the outdoor gourmet. They both light in the ass, so it ain't like it's big difference in that. I got a barrel, so I'm not looking for that. Oklahoma Joe's, saw those outside. Everybody got wood. Let's see. Man, everybody got the little rinky-dinky grills, man. $5.99 competition series, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. These actually aren't bad, man. You just need a little something. You don't want to manage that much. These right here is good. I think this is electric smoker. Pit Boss pellet smoker, another one. Love this color, man. And you got the Pit Boss pellet on one side, gas on the other, man. For $6.99. They is smoking. They lost their mind, though. So I don't know, man. Y'all tell me, man. Get down in the comments and tell me which one of these grills I should get, man. Y'all help a brother out, man. Help a brother out and help me figure out which one of these grills I should get. I definitely need a new one, though. It's time to get it popping in the summertime. Let me show y'all this, though. This is sweet. Hold on. Look at that, man. Little griddles, outdoor griddles. Sweet. I have one, but it's not on a stand. These are sweet. $3.99, $2.99. Those are sweet, man. Oh, look at that. Academy sells hardcore carnivore barbecue paper. Who knew? I didn't. Wrap your briskets up in that, brother. I might get me a rack of this. Yeah, this going on with me. You never got enough paper to wrap your brisket up. $3.99. Master built. I don't know, man. When you're used to cooking on a $1,000 pit and you go to picking the door up on these and that thing sound like it needs some WD-40, it's just hard, dog. So again, y'all get in the comments, let me know what y'all think. Plenty of accessories. They got it all in Academy, man. Academy, one of my favorite stores, y'all. I love me some Academy. Like I said, I got me a credit card in this son bitch. I love it so much. Let's see what they got over here in the pots. Fish frying time. Definitely need you one of them. Cast iron skillets. Pizza ovens. Ooh, what is this? Texas Honey Mesquite Wood. Gourmet wood products. I ain't never even heard of them. Southern Hickory Barbecue, Texas Post Oak, Southern Pecan. Wow, I'm so used to using Western wood. Of course, you got the B&B. It's that time, y'all. It's time to get cooking, man. Yeah, boy. Well, folks, we still on the hunt for a grill, man. We're going to find us one. But y'all get in the comments and tell me what kind of grill y'all have at home, man. Or where y'all bought it from. You know, I ain't trying to, like I say, I got $1,000 grills, stick burners. I'm not trying to spend $1,000 on no grill to stick in the backyard. So let me know what y'all have. Give me some good spots to go to. And yeah, we'll figure it out. But I did come out of Academy with something, man. I came out there with some new polarized glasses. Definitely need those. And got me some butcher paper, man. I think it's time to go cook another brisket. So as always, man, thank y'all for joining me here at the Rolling Grill. Good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy.